Hi creatives, welcome back to my video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a granny square and a granny square bucket hat. So I did a few of these like in 2020. I'll insert the photos. And this will be a no sew project. So we're going to attach everything as we go and work it like that. For this project, you'll need your yarn scissors, a 5.5mm hook, and yarn, and wait for whatever color you want. I'm using this brown ombre by Red Heart. This yarn is so pretty, I love it so much. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, to start, we're going to make a magic ring. If you don't know how to make a magic ring or adjustable circle, I have a video for that on my page. We're going to chain up 3, double crochet 2, chain 2, double crochet 3, whoopsie, chain 2, double crochet 3, chain 2, and double crochet 3 for the last time. I'm going to pull our circle closed. We're going to chain 2, and we're going to slip stitch into the top of our chain 3. Now we're going to slip to the end. Well, we're going to slip to the corner. That's just it. Chain up 3, double crochet 2, chain 2, double crochet 3, chain 1, we're gonna double crochet 3, chain 2, double crochet 3, and you're gonna repeat this until you reach the end. So you're gonna chain 1 for the middle spaces, then you're gonna double crochet 3, chain 2 for the corner space, double crochet 3 again, chain 1 for the middle space, and you're going to do your double crochet 3, chain 2, double crochet 3. Then I'll meet you once I'm there. Okay, now we're going to chain 2 and slip stitch into the top of your chain 3, and you're just going to continue every other row like this until you have your desired amount of rows. For me, I do a total of 5 rows. So you want to keep going around doing double crochet 3, chain 2, double crochet 3 in the corners, only chaining 1 for the sides. And then to put it in perspective, wherever you have a chain 1, you'll only put 1 set of 3. Where you have a chain 2, you'll do 2 sets of 3. And we're going to continue this until you have 5 total rows. So this is row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and row 5. You know you reach row 5 once you have 3 singles on the side plus your corner spaces. So I'm going to get to that point with this, and then I'm going to meet you back to show you how we'll connect them. Okay, so I completed 2 sides. My side I didn't complete, I started the corner chain, but I didn't finish it. So we're going to chain 1. You're going to find where you want to connect it, and you're going to single crochet to attach it to the corner space. Now I'm going to finish off my corner. And as opposed to chaining one, I'll just single crochet to join it to the other side. Then I'll work my 3 double crochets as normal. And I'm going to continue this until I get to the corner. Okay, now I'm at the corner. I'm going to do 3 double crochet. Single crochet to join, chain 1. I'm going to finish my 3 double crochet. Now I'm going to finish this row as normal. Okay, now I'm going to slip stitch to the top of this chain 3. And something important that I didn't mention. Hold on. You slip stitch 2, and then I'm going to tell you guys. I'm going to cut this yarn off because I'm done with that. I'm going to tie it. Okay. Something that I didn't mention is once you do your first side block, you only have 1 point of connection. For your next 2 blocks, you'll have 2 points of connection, which will be this side and then connecting it to the top of the hat. Then the third one will also be 2 points of connection, which will be the side and connecting to the hat. But once you get in your final one, you'll have 3 points of connection, which will be the granny square on this side, this granny square, and then the top. So what I want to show you how to do is one side piece, and then I'm going to come back, and my final connection I'll show you is for the 2 sides on the top. Then I'll show you how to do a brim, and we'll be done. Okay, so off screen I attached this one, and like I said, this square and this square, hold up. Okay, this square and this square will be attached to the exact same thing. So I completed one side. Now I want to start at the top of the hat. I'm going to chain 1. I'm going to single crochet in the corner space. I'm going to finish off my corner with 3 double crochets. I'm going to single crochet into the opening from the top, and I'm going to place my 3 double crochet on my current granny square. I'm going to finish that for the next 2 spaces, and then I'll meet you back to show you what to do at the corner. Okay, so now we're at the corner. We are going to do 3 double crochet. And instead of chaining, we are going to single crochet into the granny square on the head, and we're going to single crochet to the granny square on the side, and that will count as our chain 2. And now I'm going to place 3 double crochet here to finish off my corner. Then I'm going to single crochet to connect to the opposite side, and I'm going to do my 3 double crochets, and we're just gonna repeat this until we get to the bottom. As you see, it's a nice attachment, and we're gonna have one more side. For this side, like I said, we're gonna be connecting it at 3 points. So I'm gonna finish this granny square up, then I'm gonna come back to show you how to connect with the 3 points. Okay, so this is what the hat looks like so far, and like I said, we have to attach one more square. So you're going to start off your first corner space, but you're only going to do your chain 3 and 2 double crochet. Now we're going to chain 1, and we are going to single crochet it to the right side of the, to the right granny square. So I'm gonna single crochet here now, and then I'm gonna do my 3 double crochet You can worry about weaving in your ends at the very end. But now I'm going to work my side, just doing my double crochet, then single crocheting to the opposite side, and I'll come back and show you what to do once you reach the corner. Okay, so now we're at the corner. We're gonna do our 3 double crochets. And just like we did when connecting this square here, instead of chaining, we're going to single crochet into the granny square on the side. Then we're going to single crochet into the top granny square. And we're going to finish our corner off with 3 double crochet. Then we're going to single crochet to the top again, and we're just going to repeat this. And once you get to this corner, you're going to do the same thing. Single crochet to the top, then single crochet to the side instead of chaining 2. Then once you get to the corner, you're going to single crochet to the side, then chain 1 and finish off your granny square. So you should have it connected like this, and you should end off on the bottom. So I'll come back once I'm at the bottom and show you what to do from that point. Okay, so now I finished this. I'm going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 3, and now we're going to begin working on our brim. So what I'm going to do is chain 2, then I'm going to place a double crochet in every space. So you're going to place a double crochet on the double crochet tops. For the corner, you're going to double crochet in the gap, double crochet in the single crochet stitch that connects them, and double crochet in the corner, double crochet on the double crochet tops, and wherever you have a chain 1, you're going to place 1 double crochet. So I'm going to meet you once I have this row finished. Okay, now I've reached the end. I'm going to do my last double crochet, and I'm going to slip stitch to the top of the chain 2. Okay, now I'm going to chain up 2, and for this row I'm going to increase in every single double crochet. So with my chain 2 space, I'm going to also double crochet in that space. And for increases, we just do 2 stitches in the same space, and this will help form our ruffling. So I'm just double crocheting 2 in every space, and I'll meet you back once I complete my 2 double crochet in every space and get a nice little ruffle look. Okay, so now you see we got little ruffles on it, which is so cute. So for our next and final row, we are going to slip stitch into the top of the chain 2, chain up 2, and now in every previous double crochet, you're just going to double crochet. So this row is just double crocheting, no more increasing. And what this does is just give us a little length. So we already have our row to start, our row to ruffle, and now this is our row to end and add length to ruffle. So I'll meet you once I have this row completed. And once you're at the end of this, then your hat will be done. Be extra, extra cute.